Wish me luck.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you.
I almost destroyed my phone.
It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you.
Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't picked up my phone for the purpose of vlogging for like 2 weeks because immediately after my last vlog I was terribly ill. I was so sick for like almost a week, but I'm back and I'm ready to get back into the routine of things. And I'm going to start with my room because it's been a whole mess. I haven't cleaned in 2 weeks. I haven't done anything. The last time I vlogged, I think I showed you guys like what my room was like, and it's still as terrible as it was. And I am finally able and very happy that I'm able to clean it today. Basically, I'm going to try and clear up everything. And I think I was talking about moving stuff in my last vlog. I don't think I included it in the clip, but I was going to move my trousers to my underbed storage so I have enough space, and then move my accessories from under my bed into the storage, into my dressers, so I have like enough space for my trousers. And even there, that's like a whole new level. I'm getting rid of like empty bottles of perfume that I've been hoarding because it's just time to let go of stuff. So anyways, I'm going to start cleaning now. I'm going to put on some music and we'll go from there. So first of all, I'm going to move like everything on my keyboard onto my bed, and then move my keyboard out of this room or onto the other side of my wall, so I have space to work with here and space to move everything. Then I have this to tackle, I've got this to tackle, and then I've got this to tackle. Oh my god, it's so crazy looking at it. I'm going to include a clip of me like organizing this a few months ago. See, I've got my workout mat, I've got a foam roller there, I've got my weights there, I've got all my socks. So I just washed my socks and I dumped them into that bag right there. But I have this mini organizer that I got. I was going to use it for underwear, but I don't know if I might use it for my socks. We're just going to see how things go, and I might as well just get to that underbed storage too.
One, two, I like that. Got me feeling like I care. Shyer than I can admit. Cover me in lilac, no I like that. So nice, yeah. One look, give me butterflies. Lush, it's my favorite color. Rosy, sweet, you got me lush. I look good, but you look better on me, don't ya? Your touch, baby, so soft on my skin like perfume. Falling deeper in your kiss and it's a bliss.
Yeah, so back to this crazy mess. I'm going to wipe this down and then transfer this into the last drawer. Wish me luck, wish me luck. Yeah, let's go clean. So this is what I came up with. So now it's fitting this mess into my last drawer. So yeah, wish me good luck. And now it's time to tackle the third drawer that has my everyday wear and night clothes. So what I'm left with. I've managed to organize the drawer and it came out better than I expected, as long as everything fits. So most of this is trash and just needs to be sorted out, but I don't think I can complete it today, honestly. So I'm going to get rid of the things on my bed, and then I'll do with this corner tomorrow. Hi, so I am currently dressed for the gym, but I'm actually going for my first driving lessons today. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go to the gym. And I also haven't dealt with that, but it's fine. I mean, I've been able to do most of the move that I want to do, and it's just clean up. And yeah, so I'm really excited, really nervous. I have never driven a car before. I don't think I've ever sat in the driver's seat of a car. So it's going to be very interesting and very new. And I don't think I can vlog, obviously, but I'm going to let you know how it goes when I get back. See you guys, and yeah, good luck to me. I'm really, really excited. Good morning. So I just got ready and I have 2 parcels I need to quickly drop at the post office because they're returned. So one's a damaged item and then one's like too big for me. So I have these 2 to go and return, and yeah, let's just do this quickly and get this out of the way. Oh, my knee. I have been putting that off for over a week and it took me less than 5 minutes, no jokes. So moral lesson here is never put off what you have to do. Just do it. You'll be fine. Yeah, you'll be fine.